Now we need to fill it. Bulldozer. Choose the refueling gun of the same color as the tank cap. Look at the indicator. It shows how much fuel there is in the machine. Now you try. Press the pump. Hooray! Make a platform for an arbor. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go! The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. Let's wash. Bulldozer. We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Drag the vehicle to the correct place. Keep up the good work. We have to assemble pipe layer. Keep it up. Help the car reach its destination. Let's tap on the object to remove it from the road. Tap on the objects to clear the way. Ready. Lay pipes for the pool. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go! The bridge is raised so that ships can pass under it. Choose the next game. Let's fix the rusting. Move the tool to clean the stains. Now you try. Let's paint over the discolorations. Let's point the sprayer at the stain and paint it over. Now it's your turn. Amazing! You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. We did it! We have to assemble dumper. Keep it up. Now we need to fill it. Dumper. Hooray! Fill up sand and gravel. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The light is red. Let's stop in front of an intersection. Choose the next game. Let's wash. Dumper. Hooray! Build your own vehicle park. We did it!